Hey guys, good evening. This is Trader UC from Mommy Trades. It's about 8, or actually no, it's about 10 Central, Wednesday evening. So I just wanted to do a quick 5-6 minute video clip on these on the bounce plays or the rejection plays that Annie has been posting recently. So like, what is the idea behind those? Because most of the trades that Annie does are breakout trades, right? Which by definition mean that you're looking for a resistance level to be broken or a support gives up, and then you get into a trade and hope to profit from that move quickly, right? But these rejection plays from the resistance level or the bounce plays from the support level are you can say a bit opposite of those breakout trades. So when the price cannot pass through the resistance or cannot break down from the support level, you get in and look for a setup, a chart based setup to get into a trade and look for that bounce from the support level or a rejection from the resistance level, right? So let's take a look at Boeing. So Annie's thought process today was, if price moves above 310, look for a price action based failure and then get in next week puts. Okay, simple, but what does that mean? How does it look like? Here is the chart of Boeing. Let's draw some levels. I would say this looks like a nice support level that it held multiple times, 1 2 3 4, right? So that's a nice base level. 1 2 3 right here again, and we held this level today as well, so I'll just call this one also so this was the sort of the near term support and resistance levels for Boeing. Let's drill down to a 4-hourly chart, and I think let's do an hourly chart. So also let's mark 310 just so that visually we can see where that price level is for Boeing, where Annie wanted the price to go above and look for a failure. So 310, this white line represents 310. So we were, well, I just want to show you. First of all, let's look at a weekly time frame. Weekly, really bearish, right? It has been in that bearish sort of a trend down. As you can see, the moving average is making lower highs, right? And now it's trying to give up this key level as well. So drill down to a daily, similar pattern, downward pressure, 4-hourly, same thing. So the idea is, you're looking for the stock that is strongly trending one way, and you want to look for a little bit of retracement, and once that retracement fails, you want to join the bigger time frame trend, right? So the bigger time frame trend here was bearish, so you would want the stock to retrace up and then give up something or fail at a price point or at a resistance level, and then just get in to join the bigger trend. So let's look at, let's say, 30-minute time frame. So early today, nice 2 bullish trend bars up, and 15-minute time frame shows right here it tried to break this level like 5 times. 1 2 3, this one was down, 4 5. The 5th time it gave up. It gave up this 15-minute support level and closed below this level and gave us a nice bearish trend bar, right? So that was like sort of a aha moment, or you can say, okay, it's finally giving up and it's not going to go back up. And right when this bar started, you could see the volume increased, right? So that was sort of an indication. Let's see if we drill down to a 5-minute time frame. Did it give us anything else. So 5-minute time frame, look at this. Bullish trend bar up, no follow through, down. Bullish trend bar up, a little follow through, but then failure, right? Failure, down, down. So it just kept on breaking that level. So that's where you just join the bigger trend down. And what is the stop loss in a case like that? Usually I would keep my stop loss at the above this swing high. So my stop loss would have been somewhere around here, because that would have meant that the trend upwards has resumed and you need to get out of your trade. So you don't know if it will keep on going down or up, but you know, just you look at the bigger time frame and you try to join that. So that's what happened, and it gave us a nice smooth sort of a, you know, trade all the way down, and puts went really good. And then if you look back in a 15-minute time frame again, look at this. It tried to bounce back up, and but again, no follow through, got rejected again, and then we never saw the price go back up. It kept on going down and remained very comfortably below the 9 EMA, and even 20 EMA closed right there towards the lows of the day. So yeah, that's the idea behind these rejection plays or bounce plays, where you look for moves that are that align with the higher time frame, but you try to time your entry in a lower time frame by looking at a failure of a price level. So the breakout trades are, you can say, when the price level gets broken and you join, you know, the crowd when the price is breaking out. But if it gets faked and you get a rejection, then you know that is a strong resistance level or a strong support level, and you just want to play the opposite side. So again, you know, it's just you have to kind of evaluate at that time what's happening to the rest of the market. And since the rest of the market was bearish today, you know, there was a complete coronavirus negative sentiment in the market, so it was a good trade. Yeah, and let's look at Netflix as well while we are making this clip. Yeah, look at these multiple bullish trend bars, and this is a 15-minute time frame. As you can see, you know, just by looking at it, you should be able to see now that there is no bar that completely closed below the 9 EMA, right? The only bar that did was this one right here, which is a bullish bar, right? And it got supported by 20 EMA, and then it started going back up again. Boom, came down, no follow through to this bearish trend bar, kept the level, kept this level right here, this support level, and yeah, you just, you know, ride it back up for a nice few point scalp. Like, you know, if you get long here, 374.5, 375, it went all the way to 380. That's $5-6 for a delta of 30 cents. That's about $1, $1.20, $1.50 move. So yeah, okay. Hope you guys like this video, and if you have any questions, like always, please message Jenny or drop her an email. Thank you. Have a good night.